Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to enter eFootball. Yes, log in with another Konami account. First, make sure that you have this account linked. To do this, click on the three strips. Next, click transfer date. That's it. And make sure you are logged in with your Konami ID here. That's it. Next, we need to clear the cache in the game. Go to settings, right here, eFootball. If you don't find it like me, then go to the application and search for eFootball directly here. So we go in and clear everything, all the data. That's it. Well, and cache. Next, return to the game. So then we choose the country, yes, in which we live. Click next, apply. Enter the game. Again, click on these three strips. Click transfer date. Oh, I clicked in the wrong place. Transfer date. Click on the Konami ID account. That's it. And accordingly, log into your account here. That's all. With you was subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.